So good morning and welcome to this course on operations management. And today we are going to talk about the next area. Already had an introduction about what do you mean by operations. So now here we want to discuss in detail regarding the various operations and operation strategy. Right. Now operations management, it's basically the administration of business practices to create a particular level of efficiency possibly within an organization. And operations management is mainly concerned with converting, also is concerned with converting the materials and labor into goods and services as efficiently as possible. Now, this is the keyword, as efficiently as possible. Okay, so because we have materials and labor, end of the day, it has to be get converted into goods and services as efficiently. So that is where operations management gets converted. And corporate operations management professionals try to balance cost with revenue to maximize the net operating profit. So this is an introduction to what operations management. And operations management, it's a process of planning. Here you have the planning, organizing, and supervising the operations of the business for better productivity. Operations management aims at reducing the cost of business by. It also aims at reduces the cost of business by avoiding any wastage of resources. And the importance and value of operations management. These are the 11 areas: production efficiency, profit maximization, satisfaction of the customers, effective utilization of the resources, management of the inventory and capacity management, improvement of product quality, creating a strong operation skill, improvement of working conditions, supply chain management, and scheduling management. So, this is the importance and value of the operations management. These are the various areas which come under the in the scope of operations management. And scope of operations management is increasing productivity. So we have resources on one side and we need the final product on the other side. So increasing the productivity, how efficiently can we convert this input into output at the very optimal cost and the optimal time. So that is actually the concept of productivity. And also very important is to reduce the losses, reduces the wastage, reduce the cost and improve the revenue. So that is a very important part of operations management. And also achievement of the organization's goals and improvement of the customer satisfaction is also a very key role with respect to the operations management, and reduce the investment need basically to find out areas or opportunities where you can utilize the existing resources and reduce the need for additional investment and enhance the goodwill. So among the customers, the suppliers, and all the stakeholders, and improve innovation. Nature of operations management, dynamic transformation process. It's a continuous process and administration. And here you have these inputs on the other side: people, technology, capital, equipments, materials, and information. And the transformation process is there. And then we have the outputs where you have the goods and services. And the role of an operations manager, ensuring that the operating systems meet the objectives of the organization as a whole. Make strategic decisions with respect to planning, designing, and operating system. Inventory management is one more crucial area. Manufacturing, quality, as well as maintenance and engineering. So these are actually some of the roles of an operations manager. And primary, secondary functions of operation management is functions of operation. Primary management is finance, operations, strategy, product design, as well as maintaining quality. And other functions are materials, methods, machines and equipment, estimating, loading and scheduling, and routing. Now, this is a typical example of an operation process. We have suppliers on one side where we have the raw materials, we have the inputs, the inventory, and we have this production where it is basically done by using equipment, automated equipment, and output inventory of the finished goods and waste. And then we have the distribution, and then we have the customer. So this is a complete chain of a simple operation process. And again, the same thing where we have these inputs: energy, material, people, equipment, information, capital. These are the inputs. Capital is also an input. Information, today we are living in an AI age, is also very important. AI input. It's an input and people, equipment, materials, and energy, and transformation role of an operations manager into products, goods, or services. This is a particular role. Now, this transformation process is also elaborated in detail. They have taken the example of a hospital management. So, inputs are the materials, machines, customers, labor management, capital information, and then management, employees, patients. Output goods and services, the total satisfaction and added value. And then also the environment is also interacting as part of this process. And the characteristic that distinguish goods from services, there are the difference between the goods and services. Pure goods, it is tangible, service is intangible, low customer involvement in product, high customer involvement, low quality control problems, high quality control problems, and easy to evaluate, hard to evaluate. Inventories, there are no inventories, no time criteria, strict time criteria, and low importance of contact points, high importance of contact. So thank you very much for your patient listening. If you have any doubts and clarifications, you can ask. Thank you.